Evy Wiebe joins us now, who is a chicken farmer. Good morning, Evy. Please tell us about yourself and your journey here.
So I'm Evy, as you already said, and I'm a chicken farmer. On our farm, we raise broiler chickens, which are chickens raised for meat. And I farm together with my husband, and the kids come when they can. They are growing up, but it's okay. They come when they can, and the grandkids are joining us now, too. So we have a lot of fun together there on the farm.
What do you want people to ask you when they come to this event, too? Because they're going to be learning from you, and that's the most important thing.
Right. So I have a lot of confidence in my industry, and I love to share that confidence with people. So I know that my husband and I work hard to provide top quality chicken for everyone in Manitoba, and we also take care and are diligent with our job. So we want people to know that. So ask me questions. Ask me questions about farming, about chickens, because that's what I know, and I'm very familiar with it. I enjoy it so much, and I know my chickens.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, and that educational piece, too. When they come, there's some giveaways. So there's not only will they be able to learn, and knowledge is power, but they also might be able to get their hands on some cool stuff as well.
Right. So when you come to our area, we have some things there. We have some live chickens. We have some great books like this one, How Chicken Gets to Your Plate. It just tells the story, the farming story. But you can also ask me, because I'm there and I want to talk to people. I like to tell people what I do and share some of the excitement I have about raising chickens. Mm-hmm. We also have some prizes to give away. Those prizes, we'll play a game called the Wheel of Chicken, and you just play it, and there's pretty much a winner every round. So just come on down and join us and see what we have, and we would love to see everyone come.
Mm-hmm. Discover Agriculture on the Farm is what it's called. You can see folks like Evy and so many others. There's 10 different booths, whether it's food or recipes, 10 a.m. to 2 p.m.